Heroku, Django, Foreman. I am following this tutorial, this URL, but when I run Foreman start web as mentioned in the Heroku docs at this URL, I get this error. Should I be using Foreman? I read that gunicorn is what I should use, but I'm not sure exactly how to use it. I can't find any examples of how to use gunicorn to start the server rather than Heroku open or python manage.py run server. I read that gunicorn doesn't work on Windows. Is this true? I found this answer but not sure how to implement it. fcntl substitute on Windows. Assuming I can't implement that fcntl substitute, what is the solution for Windows? I want to use gunicorn/Foreman if possible, as run server is just for development. I've been using Heroku, but I'm not sure if that's the right way to go. What's the correct way to deploy/launch the server from Windows? Or is Linux the only option?
Gunicorn doesn't run on Windows, so you'll need to have a separate system for running code locally. What framework are you running? Usually you can develop locally using a built-in development server, like python manage.py run server for Django, and just use gunicorn on Heroku itself.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.